Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can convert HEIF image to JPEG or JPG image when sharing on the Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and first of all, I'm going to go to my camera and I'm going to set the format to HEIF format. I'm going to go to the camera setting. Okay, and I'm going to activate the high efficiency pictures. We can click on this toggle button to activate the HEIF format. Okay, and I'm going to take picture with this format like this guys, and I'm going to go to my gallery. Okay, and as you can see that this picture or this image is in HEIF format. You can read it right here. And then to convert this HEIF format or HEIC format, we need to rename the file. I'm going to go to my file manager and then rename it to convert the format. Okay, I'm going to open up my file application. Wait. Alright, I'm going to open up my files and I'm going to go to the camera folder. Right guys, I'm still looking for my camera folder. Okay, and I'm going to scroll down to find the image. Okay, this is the image I have just taken with my camera, and the format is in high efficiency format. And if you want to change it, we can rename it. Tap and hold on the image, and then you're going to click on this three dots and then select rename, and you can simply rename to change the format. I'm going to change it to JPEG. Okay, click on rename. All right, and the file extension will be changed. This may cause the file to become unusable, but don't worry, just click on change. Okay, and now the format has been changed and you will be able to share it as JPEG format on your Samsung Galaxy phone. And I'm going to go back to my gallery and check it guys. Wait, let's see the format. Okay, now the format has been changed. Okay guys, and that's all of the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.